Hey guys, it's Luke, your digital concierge here at Gramophone. Today we're going to be taking a look at a wall mount for the Sonos Port by Flexson. Flexson is a company dedicated to making premium mounting solutions for Sonos products. In fact, they've won multiple awards for their many excellent patents, such as for the product they make for the Sonos Move, like their wall mount and their stand. Don't forget to check out our video on those, by the way. The Flexson Sonos Port mount is the optimal solution for conveniently and efficiently installing a port into your home or integrating it into your system. Let's dive in. What's in the box? You have a little pamphlet about other Flexson products. You have your mount, your mounting hardware such as screws and drywall anchors, and you have this little guide that shows you how to get everything installed. So the Port wall mount by Flexson is a really solidly made piece. While they don't exactly advertise what it's made out of, my best guess just from handling it is that it's an aluminum that's been powder coated, and the finishing work on it is top notch. All of the edges on the Port mount are beveled and really smooth. There's no sharp edges to be found anywhere. That way you can easily install this without fear of slicing your hand open, or when you go to install your port, without fear of it getting scratched or banged up in any way. This is a very well finished product. Now, looking at the screw hole configuration here on the Port mount, you can see you have 4 primary screw holes, which you use for permanently tacking this to your wall, and then also notice the 4 slots around those holes. While just part of the design, they are useful. You could potentially use those to help with leveling and adjustment purposes before you use the permanent screws. Alright guys, and just to show you how the fitment works, here I have my Sonos Port. So what I like to do is lay it on its back like so, and just push in. And there you go. As you can see, it's very snug and fits basically flush with the front lips. The bottom lip here holds it securely in, and looking at the top, you have full access to all of your ports. One nice touch is on the bottom with this lip here. It's going to ensure that it does not fall out and stays nice and snug. It also doesn't block the indicator light. And if you take a look at the side of this, you'll notice this little part that sticks up here. If I turn that around, you can see a port hole through that. That is a security system. You can actually put a padlock or a combination lock through this to ensure that no one can remove the port from the mount. If you're using this in a commercial application, you can prevent it from being stolen. Now that mixed with the snug fit of this mount, your port is going nowhere you don't want it to. And taking a look at it now, you can see that the matte black finish on the Port mount works really well with the port itself. It all just blends together into one solid unit. For just under $50, the Sonos Port mount by Flexson is what you need if you're looking for the next step in a convenient audio solution. So if you've got a port and you need a place to put it, head on over to skybygramophone.com where you can pick up one of these Flexson mounts and receive it fast and free straight to your door. If you guys need some help with coming up with project ideas, or maybe that you need to schedule a service request, or you would just like to speak to one of our hi-fi, home theater, and interior design experts, get inspired over at gramophone.com. Also, if you have any questions about any of our products that you'd like to ask me personally, I'd love to help you out as best I can. Ask at gramophone.com. And don't forget to stop by and visit us at one of our showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland, as well as our lovely kitchen design center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. If you enjoyed this video, you know the drill, guys. Give us a like and drop a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. And of course, I want to hear back from you guys. What do you think of the Flexson products, and what do you want to see from me in the future? Thanks for watching. Be seeing you.